This refurbished Jetson Bolt Pro I just got, and I want to show you why I don't recommend to buy Jetson Bolt Pro refurbished, and also why I don't like steel frame. So this one is steel frame versus to many other bikes I have aluminum, like One Baht or any one. They come with aluminum. Number one, this refurbished already rusted inside. Can you see it? And second, of course, it was used. They didn't even clean it. It's all dirty. But the problem was that this stand was smashed. The bike probably fall, and it was against of the rotor. As you can see, all messed up. The wheel barely moving. I need to adjust the brake now. I'm not sure if it's disc need to be straightened out, most likely as well. So that's a refurbished. Also, there's some issue with this piece. Also needs to be adjusted right out of the box. So if you're interested to buy a refurbished bike and you don't know how to fix the bikes, highly recommend to avoid them. You're gonna spend more time and work to do before you're gonna ride it. So check link in description for brand new bikes, very similar price, about $300, $350, the One Baht. I recommend because they are aluminum frame. Bolt Pro bolt comes with steel. It's rusted, and I'm not sure even how bad it's inside, but as you can see, somebody probably rode it under the rain.